BMW R1300R.
Yeah, I'm so surprised, because I also was very surprised when I picked up the bike at BMW, because I was searching for the clutch lever. Where is it? The bike is not complete. But then I realized, okay, it's the automatic transmission of BMW. It's called ASA. It's like automated quick shifter. And the first what I thought was, oh no, without the clutch I cannot do very good launches. But now I'm so surprised, because my very best attempts from 0 to 100 have been 2.8 seconds. That's amazing. And I can tell you, just try it. The automated quick shifter is working so well. And to be honest, if you have a quick shifter, you don't often use the clutch, I guess. And it's working really, really well. If you want, you can also switch to the manual mode, and then you can shift up and down when you want. But also in the automatic mode drive, you can shift up and down when you want. So up, up, if you want, down, 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 down. So have fun and ride safe.
Huh?